Hello. Today is Monday, June 20th, 2016, and this video is an update to my pre-trial conference hearing in Waukesha, Wisconsin, McDonald's Nude children assault. Today I want to talk about what the judge ruled on my motions. I had filed approximately 16 motions. I addressed the witnesses' testimony in December of 2015 stating that they were lying on the stand. I filed motions for perjury against those witnesses. Those motions were denied. I motioned the judge to have these witnesses have a written, signed, sworn deposition on record before they go to trial again for my jury trial. The judge denied my motions. My goal is to prevent the witnesses from changing their stories and lying and freely changing their stories on the stand whenever they feel like it. And a sworn, written deposition is exactly what you're looking for. Some of the other motions that I had filed regards to the witness list. The city attorney now is informing me that they do not want to bring Detective Carpenter back into the courtroom and answer my questions in regards to why he arrested me on June 11, 2014, why I spent 2 days in jail, who the judge is that signed the search warrant, that he took my computer, cameras, cell phones, thumb drives, and $20,000 in cash. During discovery, I had asked and motioned many times for the video cameras inside McDonald's. I had motioned for the 911 callers. I had motioned for the police reports. I have motioned for so many things during the past 2.5 years that when I went to court in December of 2015, I had barely nothing to go on. So for the past 6 months, I've been trying to get my records and trying to wait for a jury. I was informed today that my jury trial has been postponed again until November of 2016. By then, it will be almost 3 years that Waukesha law enforcement has been trying to frame me for child pornography charges. A lot of people have missed that this is not the first time or the first case that Waukesha, Wisconsin law enforcement has tried to set me up and frame me for child pornography. This is the second case. February 4, 2014, McDonald's Nude child assault, and then February 10, 2014, Frank Murphy's road rage assault. In both of those cases, Waukesha law enforcement had tried to turn these cases into some type of child pornography charges. In the first case, Frank Murphy's road rage assault, my attorney and I shot that case down, poked so many holes in it, and by the end of it, we found out that they had deleted 911 calls, withhold evidence, and we had to wait until we were in court to find out exactly who was the 911 caller and what was said. The 911 caller was Sandra Murphy, Frank Murphy's wife, is the 911 caller. On the stand, in that case, Sandra Murphy stated that she's the 911 caller. She never said I was on the property. She never said I was on the driveway. I was never there 2 days in a row, and I was not videotaping. Sandra Murphy stated that I was on the road for approximately 1 minute and I left. My testimony matches Sandra Murphy's. My car broke down. It stalled in front of Frank Murphy's home, who I did not know, nor do I care. It took me approximately 30 seconds to get my car started, and then I left. In that case, the Waukesha Sheriff's Deputy, Wade Hollingsworth, tried to turn that into a child pornography case. In his police report, he states that I was on Frank Murphy's property, in his driveway, 2 days in a row, for 15 minutes each day, videotaping Frank Murphy's daughter. None of the evidence supported Waukesha Sheriff's Wade Hollingsworth police statement. In court, the judge ruled there was no trespassing, I was not on the property, but I was found convicted of disorderly conduct because when Frank Murphy attacked me, I used the F word to tell Frank Murphy off. That is very similar to exactly what happened in McDonald's. In McDonald's case that I've been fighting for the past 2.5 years, it is basically the same thing. They have deleted as much information as they possibly can. They have withheld all the information as they can. And today, I wanted to talk about some of those issues. Some of the things that I've heard from the internet is in regards to what exactly am I doing? Why am I making these videos? And I wanted to clarify why I'm doing this. I want to educate people on what and how exactly law enforcement does their job. How the city attorneys and the district attorneys will work with them on what evidence to delete, what evidence to withhold, and how to proceed with how to convict somebody by suppressing as much information and evidence as possible. What I want is a fair jury trial. You cannot rely on the police to be honest, or the city attorneys or the district attorneys to do a professional job. The judges today rubber stamp everything guilty that's in front of them, regardless of what evidence supports whatever side. Again, this is the second time in a 1-week period that Waukesha law enforcement has tried to frame me. Some of the things that I try to point out is what you should do when you're in this situation. 1, never, ever talk to the police. Never give a statement to them. Never open the door. Never unlock your car. Leave your windows rolled up. Protect yourself and get your video camera out and record everything. These people are professional, paid liars. We pay them off our tax dollars to lie, delete, destroy, stalk, steal every day. We have to be aware of the fact that they really are not here to serve and protect. Over the past 3 years, I have done everything I can to get the information that I've been looking for. I have made many videos in my defense to show that I was not videotaping any nude 3-year-old girl inside McDonald's. As of today, the city attorney openly stated in court there was no nude children in McDonald's, despite the fact that Sean Calderon states on his police report as well as on his 911 call, he sees child pornography. And he states that I'm standing in front of a booth videotaping a small 3-year-old girl for 1 minute. Again, I have made many videos to show that this is nothing but a pack of lies. As of today, the city attorney, Miles Eastman, does not want to talk about nude children in McDonald's or that I was videotaping any little girl. Their case is going to proceed with basically, did I defend myself using the F word when I was physically assaulted, verbally threatened by Sean Calderon that if I did not give him my money, he was going to kick my ass. Inside, the video clearly shows what happened. When I walk past the 3-year-old girl in question, my hands are in my pocket. I am not videotaping any girl. The police department have seen these videos, and so has the city attorney. It doesn't matter. They are going to continue to frame me for child pornography. In December 2015, Judge Jankowski found me guilty of disorderly conduct by provoking Sean Calderon, and it caused him to attack me because Judge Jankowski states I was videotaping this 3-year-old girl. Even though the video shows me walking past this 3-year-old girl with my hands in my pocket, going back to my booth. Again, I had stated throughout my trial, Sean Calderon attacked me, he threatened to kick my ass, and I defended myself. There was a female McDonald's employee who saw and heard what happened. She spoke to me, and I spoke to her before she ran and got the manager, Joe Peters. At the same time, there was 2 women who were with their children. One older lady who was with her grandson, and another younger lady who was with her son. Both of these women spoke to me, asked me what happened, what is going on. I told them, I'm being attacked, I'm defending myself. These women started to help me defend myself against Sean Calderon. These women started yelling at Sean Calderon to stop attacking me. All of this is caught on video. This is inside McDonald's. There's at least 6 high-definition security cameras inside the dining room of this McDonald's. Waukesha Police Department and the city attorney have seen these videos and knows exactly what I have said and what I did. They continue to press these charges against me for child pornography. And again, I was convicted in December of disorderly conduct for provoking Sean Calderon for attacking me. And that is how law enforcement handles cases like this. I have done everything I can to expose Waukesha law enforcement, the city attorneys, the district attorneys' tactics, their lies, the deletion of evidence, 911 calls, the editing of security cameras, everything I can possibly do. For the people that have been following my channel and been watching my videos, they can follow exactly what has happened. This is an update video to my pretrial conference that I had today, June 20th, 2016. Again, my trial has been postponed till November 2016. Thank you.